San Vicente Beach, guys. Look at that. Long stretch of beach. There you go. Okay, with the tantrums in the background. And thanks to the owner of Foxy's. Look at their big swimming pool. Parang aquarium. Merong glass sa labas. Ano, sabi ng owner, that's 3-inch thick na salamin. Imported pa yan. Wala sa Pilipinas. Look at that. Ang bait-bait ng owner. Yan. Ganda. Simple lang, oh. Pero ganda dito, guys. San Vicente, Palawan. Ang magkagandahan sa beach na to, sa resort na to, malapit sa airport. 5 minutes away from the airport. Tapos pag akit mo dun sa taas, para siyang may overlooking dyan. Yan. Yung minibar nila. Yan. Sarap ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. Kita nyo naman yung, kita nyo yan, oh. Ganda. Look at that. Look at that view again. And there's a tantrums in the background right there.